Sino dito yung growing up, kinompare ka? Bakit yung kapatid mo mas magaling? Bakit yung kapitbahay mo may honor? Bakit siya laging present? Anong pakiramdam nun pagka lumaki ka ng comparison? Nakakababa ng pagkatao. Nakakainis? What else? Anong pakiramdam nun when you were constantly compared? Pressured? Disappointed? Now, what do you think is the intention behind it? To inspire you to strive harder. Is that good or bad? Maganda yung intention. Pero, maganda yung intention niya, yung interpretation ko, iba, hindi nag-match. So rather than na ma-motivate ako, lalo lang ako na-disappoint. Kaya napaka-importante. Some people mean well. Our family members, our loved ones, our parents, they mean well. It's just that, wala namang seminar kagaya nito eh. Hindi naman lahat nakaka-attend nito. Na importante palang bantayan yung projection mo kung naaayon ba siya doon sa judgment niya. So hindi mo sila pwedeng sisihin. But what can you protect? The fact that I can control what I react or how I react based on what is being thrown at me.